Hello, hello, hello. It's Christine Trainer talking to you from New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. Welcome to my channel, my lovely friends. I am an entrepreneur as well as a digital marketing, and I have been for the past 2 years. And as you can see, the weather's quite lovely here. I thought I'd do my intro here outside before I get started to the next segment. And of course, I want to give you a little skinny about me because you might be new to my channel. So I'm 60 years old. I've been in online marketing, digital marketing for the past 2 years. And I tell you why I decided to become an entrepreneur, to work online, is because I have been, shall we say, at the college of life. I did a variety of jobs in my lifetime, past maybe 30, 35 years, since I was in my middle 20s. I did a lot of variety of jobs. I mean, I worked at Orange Julius, I worked at McDonald's, I worked at a gift shop, I worked at a jewelry store, I worked at an apartment store. I was just always busy doing a variety of different jobs, okay? I even worked in a sheet metal shop for 8 years. I know it's a sheet metal worker, how about that? But I also looked after 6 kids for a few years. I was really was busy lady doing a variety of jobs, earning an income, 9 to 5. That's because I wanted to keep income steady, right? But I tell you what, the one that I really loved to do best of all was when I worked with my sister for a few years at the office. We did direct marketing. I loved it. I had like a passion for it. I thought, wouldn't it be nice to work online? And that was almost 14 years ago before I even thought to do that. And fast forward to the couple of years ago when I was having problems with getting some decent income working 9 to 5, I decided that's what I want to do. I decided I want to work online. I want to set my own hours. I want to have some good earned income as I retire, right? Into my retirement years. Plus, I thought the laptop lifestyle was for me because I wanted to stay at home and work at home while my husband was working 9 to 5. And I wanted to do that as I was getting older. So I have working the past 2 years online marketing. Yes, I had some good times. Yes, I had some bad times. I had some programs I shouldn't have been on, but that you live and you learn, right? I earned some income. I lost some money. That's all part of it. 3.5 months ago, when I started with Successful Solution Method, actually close to 4 months now, I really started to understand, to learn how to build my business better online through my Facebook profile. And I started to earn some income. Basically, when people were signing up to me, to my link I shared out, which you can do a Successful Solution Method, I started to earn more income. So this is what I'm sharing today in the next segment. Today I'm going to really talk about how we earn when we have somebody sign up to Successful Solution Method, when we share our link out. I thought I'd share that with you today. Go on my back office, share a little bit of information. So stay to the end. It's going to be quicker, but I want to really share it today to give you the idea how I'm actually earning while I'm learning in Successful Solution Method. So let's go to the next segment, shall we? Alrighty, my lovely friends, I'm back. Let me just fix something here, Okay, all right, I'm back. In this next segment, I want to really share about what I'm going to say, how much we earn for each sign up. So, say, for example, somebody decides to sign up for Successful Solution Method. What is the commission? I mean, basically, what is the percentage you make? And if you're somebody like myself who does the daily task on a daily basis, because we do income producing activities on a daily basis where we do earn our income, residual income, I also get 50% of the sign up, which means, let's say, for example, somebody decides to sign up in one of our packages. Okay, so let me get on to share the screen so I can give you information how I want to share this with you today. Let me share a screen. I want to share with Successful Solution Method. Okay, I'm going to get on here because I really want to get to share this with you. I'm going to go, of course, to the bottom here. Basically, these are our packages, right? Say, for example, you share the link and you are a dev affiliate, which means, let me go over here to this one here. Okay, this is my dev affiliate site. I have earned more than that, but that's some of the income I've earned to date. And as you can see, basically, this is my link I share. So if somebody wants to find out more about the Successful Solution Method, this is the link they will go to, okay? Let me see if I can go to the link itself so you can see what I'm talking about. No, yeah, let me go to the link. I just go to here. This is my link. I copy it. I'm just going to share it with you, my lovely friends. I just want to give you an idea of what it's all about. So somebody will come on here, okay? I just go like this, and they go on to it, okay? And this is what they see. They scroll down, they go through a beautiful funnel. It's an excellent funnel, by the way, because you are building. Let me turn that off for a minute. You do build a legitimate and scalable income. It is true, but we want to go down this a little bit here. It's because I want to show the packages, the amounts. Okay, this is what I want to do. I'm going to just go to the bottom, give you an idea, basically what it's all about, the packages. What I want to share with you this. These are the packages. You see, say for example, somebody signs up with you for $125 because that's $100 plus $25 commission with bronze package. Basically, you will get $50 of that, which is 50% of the income, 50% of the commission, and 50 of it goes back into the community. Okay. Say for example, somebody gets a silver level. Okay. It's $300 plus $25 admin fee. Basically, what that means is you get the 150, the 50%, and the rest goes back into the community as well, which is should be. Say, for example, somebody buys a gold, which is $500 one-time payment. These are all one-time payments, by the way. You get the 250, 50%, and the other 250 goes back into the community. Say, for example, somebody buys platinum. You get 500 and the other 500 goes back into the community. And of course, with the diamond level, $2,000 one-time payment, you get $1,000 plus the other 1,000 goes back into the community. So you get 50% of each sign up. That's how it works. So, but if you decide, I just wanted to share that with you as well. Let me get out of here for a minute. Let me see. So that's what this means here. Okay, just means 34. I've had 7 transactions so far. I've actually had more. It doesn't always say I've actually earned another 1,800 in all total, but this is part of it, my debit affiliate. It basically says that I get 50% for each sale I deliver, which means every time somebody signs up with me, I get 50% of the sale. Now let me go back to the members area. Okay, so that's what these 5 packages mean. So every time somebody signs up to one of these packages, you'll get 50% of the sale. Now, I want to share one more thing with you, my lovely friends, is this. Let me go to this area here. If you just want to purchase, shall we say, traffic packages, which are basically good, that is basically, if you purchase a traffic package only, and you decide you just want to do the traffic packages and just you don't really want to do the income producing activities, you get 30% of the sale, which means wouldn't it be better to do everything, to learn and build your business better? But this is another option you have, okay? With each of these packages, if somebody signs up with one of these packages, from your leads, you'll get 30%. Okay, if you don't do the income producing activities, which is a task, because after all, this is a task-based educational program. So when you're doing the income producing activities, a task on a daily basis, and you're also sharing the link of Successful Solution Method, and of course you're doing the high quality traffic leads as well, you're purchasing those, then you're going to get 50% of the sales. So each time somebody signs up with you, whichever package you go to, you will get 50% of the sale. So let me go back to the members area. So wherever somebody signs up with you here, the bronze 125, the silver 325, the gold package 500, platinum 1,000, and the diamond package 2,000. 50% goes to you when you do your income producing activities, as well as you are sharing your link to others. Then you get 50%. So 50% goes to you and 50% goes to the community, which means whoever continues to do well on the daily tasks, they earn income, they get some of what comes from what you earn. So say somebody signs up to you to the diamond package. Here, my lovely friends, what's beautiful about that is you get $1,000 of it. Now, the reason why you get 50% or 30%, if that's what you choose to do, is because you are sharing the link. You don't have to worry about, say for example, you're in bronze. You still get 50% even if somebody signs up to diamond. Doesn't matter which package you're in. That's what's beautiful part of Successful Solution Method. She wants us to earn the income while we're learning to understand how to build a business online. So that's what I want to share with you. I wanted to share with you about how much that we earn for each sign up. And that's the beautiful part. You earn, no matter what package you're in, you will earn exactly what package somebody signs up in through your link you share out, or whatever package that you decided, well, whichever traffic package that somebody signs up through your traffic packages. Whatever, see, somebody signs up with silver, then you get 150 because you, doesn't matter where you are. And that's what I love about Successful Solution Method. That's why I was a part of it. I have actually earned from some of the packages that people have signed up for. And that's the beautiful part. You don't have to worry about being in bronze and you think, oh my God, I can only get paid through that. No, if somebody signs up through you, through diamond package, you will get 1,000. If somebody signs up through you, through platinum, you'll get 500. If somebody signs up through the gold package, you will get the 250. If somebody signs up through the silver package, you'll get 150. And if somebody, of course, signs up with your kind of package, it'll be 50. So you'll get 50% of each sale. And then that's the most beautiful part. If you continue, if you do the daily task every day, you will get the 50%. If you decide you just want to just work the program as well as get the traffic packages and that's all you want to do, then you'll get 30%. But why not do the 50% so you can get 50% of the sign up fee commission? That's, to me, much better. So I really wanted to share that with you today, my lovely friends, because this is a beautiful community. Gives you the opportunity to earn an income while you're learning to build your business online. That's what Successful Solution Method is all about. So I hope this gave you some value. I really wanted to share that today, really give you the nitty-gritty of how you earn. And believe it or not, I'm very proud to say that I love the fact that I do earn 50% right now, because I do the daily tasks and I've earned income through whichever package somebody, I do earn 50%, whichever package somebody signs up with me. And that's the beautiful part. You don't have to worry about which package you're at. You will still earn, because she wants everybody to earn at least a decent income while you're becoming somebody who's learning and growing and starting your home-based business, whether you're newbie or if you are a seasoned marketer. You're going to earn income in Successful Solution Method while you are understanding to build your business online. That's the beautiful part of Successful Solution Method. So I hope this gave you some value, my lovely friends. Give me a like or a comment if you enjoyed it. And if you're still new to my channel, subscribe. I have many more tips and strategies, online marketing and more, especially to share about Successful Solution Method in the videos to come as well. And down below in my description, I have the link to Successful Solution Method. Be a part of this community. Learn and grow and build your business online and earn some income while you're doing it too. As well, Successful Solution Method, I have the Facebook group link as well. Pop on over there, learn all about it, be a part of the group and see what it's all about even further, right? You will really learn with the testimonials, the beautiful interviews we have. Amazing. It's a beautiful community. I'm so proud to be a part of it. As well as if you're curious about me and you want to get to know me or you want some more information, I have my Facebook page linked down below, as well as you can give me a text. I'm always available anytime you want to share and really learn more too. Okay. So my lovely friends, I hope that gave you some value to really learn how we do earn through each sign up and how important it is that when Successful Solution Method, it doesn't matter which package you sign up on. If somebody signs up in a higher package, you will earn the commission from that. And that's the most beautiful part of Successful Solution Method. The beautiful part of earning while you're learning, doing daily tasks, and being a part of a beautiful community of Successful Solution Method. And of course, Amanda Rai is the one who created it, and she did an awesome job. She knows her business and she wants to help others. And that's the beautiful part. Okay. I hope this gave you some true value. I really do. So with that being said, see you on the other side to success, my lovely friends. You rock, my wonderful entrepreneurs. Bye.